What if I told you there was a place in Canada where nature still feels completely untouched? Day 14, Calgary to Jasper. There were massive wildfires in Jasper in 2024. More on this tomorrow. We've entered the Canadian Rockies. Mountains and lakes for days. I think this is my new happy place. These views are so surreal. It feels like we are living inside a postcard. Our campsite surrounded by mountains for the next 2 nights. More mountain scenery to come, stay tuned.